Alright, chicken and broccoli. So this has been my staple for a while. It's so good, especially with the A1 sauce. We're about, sorry, I'm just like a hot mess right now. We are about to eat this and watch a movie.
Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet.
Can we, I have to pause it. Can we take a second to appreciate the beauty that is Tom Hardy? Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
So now
has been like the goal. It's been what I've been thinking towards every time I squat. Like, I want to get that 135. I want to move up to the big girl plates, you know? And I'm so happy I did. And maybe I'm getting too happy right now. Maybe you're looking at me like 135 is not a lot, Ashley. Like, you need to calm your tits. Like, calm your tits. But it's so rewarding seeing strength gains. Weight loss gains are great too, but as you know, what I'm seeing on the scale is minimal right now. So I'm gonna take victories where I can take my victories, okay? And that 135, all I wanna say is I couldn't hit 135 before, and I hit it today, and I hit it for several reps. So come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. No, I'm just feeling like, I'm feeling really strong right now. I'm like super strong.
The moth brings seen to